Here at Toledo High School, our focus is on doing everything in our power to help your children discover their ultimate, authentic selves and achieve their life dreams. Our goal is not to prepare our students for the road that they are on. It is to prepare them for the ever-changing roads that they will encounter on their life journey. Our college counseling program is superb and has yielded admissions that rival almost any other school in Los Angeles. The opportunities to discover your passion at dTHS are almost limitless.
Toledo offers these incredible programs for the kids.
There was something very special about the school that you could literally feel as you walked into campus.
The academics are so strong, and the theater is wonderful, and the sports are competitive, but everybody here has a heart.
The kids here are genuinely happy. They want to be here, they want to learn.
The teachers are amazing here at Toledo. They'll stay after school with us and even come in early in the mornings if we need help with quizzes or tests or even just one simple math problem.
The teachers just really being out there and open for kids to come get help and just to kind of make the school as comfortable and as easy to go to as possible, to really make the school warm and welcoming.
They'll do anything to help you and support you, and it's just a loving and safe community.
I came to this school not knowing anybody, and I have so many groups of friends. We're a small group, but we're all so close and we all love each other.
Because it's such a tight community, you don't feel like you're ever left out.
I see all these different people, even though they might be 18 and I'm only 16, our friendships are equally strong.
When the older kids really take you under their wing and make you feel special, it really helps that your journey at the school and helps you succeed and thrive.
Toledo education is all about cultivating the whole student, starting with exceptional academics, but also encompassing a deep sense of identity, self-confidence, self-expression, and a life purpose.